Hi guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. And we are going in Target. We have a $10 budget and a lot of gift cards. Okay guys, so the Tresemme is back again. So what we're gonna do, we are in Target also guys. I'm gonna grab 4 of these at $3.99 each. We do have that $5 Pro Tresemme Pro. That's 2 off 5. I'm gonna try that. If it don't work, I'll give them the other one. But it worked at Walmart, so let's see if it worked here. So we got 4 of these, and that should put you at $15.98. And then you're gonna take $10 off, put you at $5.98. We're gonna use a $5 off gift card and get a $5 off gift card and pay $1.98 out of pocket before taxes. That's if that coupon works. If not, I will use the $4 coupon. Now, also it says Axe, Dove, Tresemme, and Suave hair care. I don't see the Axe because I'm gonna see if I can grab that plus get the spray. But I don't see any Axe. That's what I'm looking for. It's so quiet in here, guys, because you know the weather is bad. But it's not bad out by me. It's cold, but it's not bad like that. So the coupon for Dove is $2 off. If you buy 4 of these, that'll take $8 off, but they are $5.99 each. So 5, 10, 15, 20, $24. I think that's very steep, but if you want Dove and you like Dove, that's a good deal. Especially if you have a card to flip, okay? Now the Crest is the toothpaste, toothbrushes, floss, denture care, and mouthwash are $4.99 and up. If you buy 3, you get a $5 gift card. As low as they have, they Axe deodorants at $3.89. Watch my Dollar General video, and you'll probably change your mind about getting this deodorant. Okay, the body wash is at $3.99, which is basically a little cheaper than Family Dollar, actually. So if you buy 2 body washes, you'll get 2 sprays for free. So let's see how much the spray is. The spray is $5.49. So if you need Axe body wash, that will be a good deal. If you do not need Axe body wash, then I would not frequent that if I don't need it. And at this point, my boys do not need that. Okay, we do have Caress at $3.99. We don't have a coupon for it. That's not dirt, guys. That's, believe it or not, icing off my son's cake. That's how powerful it was. It was blue. But we have a $1 off coupon making these $2.99. That's a good deal if you have gift cards to pay that down with, but they're not giving you anything in return, just to let you know that. Okay, so they have Dove, Love Beauty and Planet, Suave, Vaseline, hand and body lotions priced at $3.99, and I'll buy 4, get a $5 gift card. So we're gonna grab 4 of these right here. Now let me tell you what this deal is gonna be. I have a $5 gift card to get flip. Okay, that's why I would grab 4. Now watch my Dollar General video and you'll see why I'm not gonna do this deal, but I'm gonna do this right here. Yes, I live in Illinois, sweetie. We gotta have Vaseline on us. Okay, so I'm gonna grab 4 of these at $3.99, and then I'm gonna use this coupon right here that says save $2 on 1 Vaseline registered trademark lotion, 6.8 ounce or larger. So this is actually 7.5 ounces. So I'm gonna grab 4 of those. They're gonna give me a $5 gift card. I'm gonna use all 4 of my Vaselines if I can use them, okay? And then I will get $8 off plus a $5 gift card, plus I'm gonna roll a $5 gift card, okay? So there you go. Let me grab 4 of those. Okay, $3.99 times 4 makes you $15.96. Take away $8, it's gonna leave you at $7.96. Take away the $5 gift card that I'm gonna roll into there, gonna leave me at $2.96 out of pocket, and I'm gonna get back a $5 gift card. So I'm gonna have a $2.04 money maker off of this. Like guys, look at this store. It's a desert. Oh, I love to shop when it's like this. Everything in place. It's not crowded. No one is running into you. It's really, really, really nice. Uh-oh. Restart and restock. Look at that. Okay, so here is the Valentine's Day 30% off clearance. Some other places are already at 50%. So their gift card, all of the little Valentine's Day cards are at 50%, but the candy is only at 30. These are Valentine's Day things to go in your Valentine's Day. So, it's a banner. I like that. How much is that banner? Just $1.50. It's a banner. I do like that. I might grab it. So all of their stuff is on sale. XO, you and me, and hello. That's pretty. And that's $3, so that's $1.50. Okay, here's the other clearance, but look like they cleaned it out already. Okay. Oh, there's Junie B. Jones. My kids love that book when they were little. My girls did, and my boys, they read it. So it's 50% off anything that's marked 50% off. So washable cover. Oh God, that's ugly. Okay. It's so quiet in here, guys. I just like to walk around and show you guys the store a little bit before we finish couponing. Because I do want to go over here where the detergent is, because I'm still wondering, do I want grapefruit and ginger to inspire? I wonder how that smells. Oh my God, it smells so good. But it's called Clarity. Clarity. Grapefruit and ginger. Hey, I see clearances over here on curtains. Sure do. If you got gift cards, that'd be fantastic to use. And the curtains are actually nice. My boys, we redecorating their room, but they don't want none of the girl curtains. And I don't want their room to be too dark. I like this one. I like that. It's expensive though. And I don't want to use my gift cards on them. I like these. Yay, that's cute. Okay. Oh, look at those. I think I saw these during Christmas. They $79. Okay, guys, I'm making my way back around here where the detergent is at so I can see if I want to buy that or not. Oh, they got a clearance on outerwear. Look, this is $8.99. Sure is. That one $12. I don't know why. But this one is $8.99. Good price though. And it's been made out of Sherpa stuff. It's kind of thick too. It's like Cat and Jill, of course. Oh, look, clearance on flatware for babies, the Munchkin fillet. Those are $3.49. Teaching them how to eat off spoons and forks. That's a good idea. My baby used to be scared of forks because I didn't teach him how to eat off of it. Like, don't ask me why. It's a good deal, guys. Spend $75, get $15. I got a cousin that's pregnant, so I'll stop back buying baby stuff again. But not today. Not today. But that's a good deal. So I am in here checking out what's going on. She's actually pregnant with twins. 45. So, woo, the girl brave. Okay, let's go look at the detergent. I just want to hit the surrounding area of the store. Okay, the Tide is $8.99. It's a deal. Buy 3, get a $10 gift card. You gotta do $11.99 and up, so that's why I won't be doing that deal. That's what I want to come back to look at, to see if that's what they was doing. And yes, and that's way too expensive. That's way too expensive, but they do have more deals that we don't have coupons for, but I thought made good deals. Let's go look at them. The Gain is $9.99. Get them at $9.99 and up. So if you get these, that one smells so good. We just got Gain $3 off. You can use that. Use $369. Plus you get a $10 gift card. Flip a $10 gift card. You'll pay less than $10 out of pocket. These are back here at $1.99. If you have any gift cards, buy 3 of those. Pay $1 for all 3. If you have a $5 gift card, that'll be a good one too. Okay, and what is this? This is the Blue Buffalo Nature Recipe Dog Food Purina Chow Pack. I am buy 2, get a $5 gift card. Look, $4.99. People already cleaned those out because those are not it. Because it say beef sticks. So those are not it. I was going to grab those. My mom has a new dog. And then those are $8 though. But I wanted the one that was $4.99. That was a great deal. I was just going to flip a gift card for it. And here is the Purina buy 2, get a $5 gift card. And this is for, is that for dogs? I don't know, cats or dogs. Cats, I'm so crazy. And then dry cat food, 10% off. Okay guys, so let's go and see. How do we do? Let's see if it worked. If it did, I'll tell you. The Beyond Cat Food, 97 cents. It's on clearance. Okay, guys, so the Tresemme, the $5 coupon, do work on those in Target. Here is the, excuse my car. There you go. The $5 coupons came off of both of them. I gave her a $5 gift card, and then I paid $1.96 out of pocket, actually, because it was what, $5.96, 99 cent taxes, $6.95. I gave her a $5 gift card, so I paid $1.95 out of before taxes, and I got a gift card back. I did the same thing for the Vaseline, which if it did not bring up a gift card, but when I went to the service desk, the lady said, I keep telling them the Vaseline, that jar is included, is 7.5 ounces. Why do they keep on mixing it up? So I did that. Gave me another one. Gift card back, okay? So this one I ended up paying $5.25 out of pocket because I got bananas and I got this banner to go up, okay? Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, share this channel. Bye.